Greetings, global learning community. I'm Camila Rossi, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to Factory Automation, shaping the future of manufacturing exclusively on Coursera, created in collaboration with Starweaver. This course is your gateway to mastering factory automation, a skill that's more relevant today than ever before. In a world where technology is evolving at an exceptional pace, understanding factory automation is crucial. Either you are looking to enhance your professional skill set or enrich your personal knowledge, automation offers a comprehensive exploration of the technology used to automate a factory. From understanding the fundamentals of factory automation to advanced Industry 4.0 technology and everything in between, this course covers the essential aspects of automation. You will emerge with a solid understanding of how to apply robotics and other technologies in several scenarios. Our interactive platform encourages you to engage, question, and collaborate, ensuring a rich learning experience. But factory automation is more than just a course, it's a global community. Join learners from across the globe as we embark on this journey together. Share insights, exchange ideas, and grow alongside peers who share your passion for technology. Are you ready to take the next step in your professional development journey? Review the course details, enroll in factory automation, and start learning today. Let's unlock new possibilities and pave the way to a brighter future together.